Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about 8 signs that she is testing you. But before we get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Men's Guide, where you're going to get all the tips, advice and routines for men so that you could be the best version of yourself. So firstly, why do women test men? Ab iske piche there's a multitude of reasons, but essentially it's not a gendered thing really. Matlab ladke test too, women test too. But when it comes to women, I'll be honest, us girlies have more to lose because ladkiyan mane na mane ya ladke mane na mane, we girls are in the long haul for it. So mostly whether we're dating you or we're thinking of dating you, eventually we're dating to marry. We want to make sure कि वो perfect हो. So let's get into the test that she is considering you, she likes you, she wants it for the longer haul, but these are things that she is going to note in you. Test number 1, she is playing hard to get. So अगर आपको लड़की से hot and cold treatment मिल रहा है, hot and cold treatment से मतलब कि अगर वो आपके टेक्स्ट को कभी क्यूट होके फ्लर्टी होके रिप्लाई कर रही है और फिर वो गुस्सा कर जाती है या फिर वो देर तक डीएम का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रही है, इसका मतलब है दैट प्लीज गाइज डोंट बी पुट ऑफ बाय इट. मैन शी लाइक्स यू बट एट द सेम टाइम शी वॉन्ट्स यू टू बी द वन टू मेक एफर्ट. सो वेदर इफ शी इज नॉट द फर्स्ट वन टू text you or the first one to make plans with you, say कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है, चलो यहाँ चलते हैं, that means that she wants you to take the lead. So this is your cue. इस टेस्ट को resolve करने का या इस टेस्ट को पास करने का एक ही तरीका है that you take the charge, you take the cue and make sure that you're consistent with it. So consistency is key here. इसका मतलब है that even though you don't like the hot and cold, but you have to keep up with it. अब नेक्स्ट साइन की बात करते हैं और ये मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट है which is that she's been stalking you. So sign number 2 men that the girlies are stalking you. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि you are such a cool guy, you don't have to pay attention to your social media, well you're wrong, because I think that women are the best detectives and stalkers out there, and we all have a mutual consensus on it, and I can tell you for a fact. इसका मतलब ये है कि It's not about what you posted a month ago or a couple of weeks ago. 3 से 5 साल की हिस्ट्री तो आपकी कहीं नहीं गई. सारी लड़कियों को जो आपको पसंद करती होगी वो सारा आपका पीछे सब कुछ जानती होगी. इसका मतलब है कि you have to be wary with what and how you present your social media. We all like a man who has 1,000 followers but 0 posts. Why? Because he is a cautiously optimistic man. उसको पता है my girl is going to look into my social media, check everything, and you don't want something जो jeopardize कर दे relationship को. You really want to keep the girl there. So this means that make sure कि उसकी stalker tendencies don't let her get into something that that could be problematic later और फिर उस पर एक difficult conversation हो. अब हम चलते हैं अपने next and I think सबसे खतरनाक टेस्ट के ऊपर, the casual ex-partner talk. So honestly मुझे लगता है कि ये वो टेस्ट है जिसके बारे में I know this is hard to keep up with and please don't skip it. Why do I say that? Because the casual ex-partner talk is a rocky road. Yes, most of the times बेशक लड़की की साइड से हो या लड़के की साइड से हो, we don't like that conversation क्योंकि ये conversation difficult हो सकती है. But if your girl is bringing your ex up, इसका मतलब है that this is a legitimate test. And what is she testing you for? कि do you generally have a respect for women as a complete gender? और इधर आपकी maturity और emotional intelligence test होगी boys, जिसका मतलब है that don't be snarky, don't be bitchy, and try to say mince your words, try to say something nice. अच्छी feelings नहीं भी है, nice नहीं भी लगती थी, बुरे नोट पे relationship खत्म हो गया, but that does not mean that in your current relationship you have to say something जो actually may would come off as a slander. So slander से बच के or something more mature, something more reasonable, because यहाँ पे your girlfriend, your partner is testing how do you generally speak about other people. Do you like her for her or are you just pretending to like her? So I know a rocky road, but casual ex-partner talk is a great sign to know that she's interested in you, but she's testing you. अब चलते हैं अपने next test पे, the no makeup test. जो हमारे makeup और skin care का budget है, वो लड़कों के पूरे साल का खर्चा है. इसका मतलब है that every month we are spending so much money on our skincare or makeup, and so we girls, we like to look good. हमें अच्छा लगना पसंद है, बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें हर वक्त मेकअप करना, हर वक्त अपनी स्किन को it's glowing, it's beautiful. So if your girl shows up with no makeup, that is a sign कि उसको आपके साथ comfort महसूस होने लग गया है. She likes spending time with you and she's feeling comfortable in her own skin. So let's say that you pick your girl up and she's not wearing any makeup and she's probably in her favorite PJs. उसका मतलब है that do not pass any comments on oh कैसी लग रही हो, लगता है आज बीमार हो, लगता है आज तैयार होने का दिल नहीं कर रहा था. Boys, no judgment. This is the test जहाँ you have to let her be, let her breathe in her own skin and feel good about herself, not having to put lots of makeup all the time. Now let's move on to our sign number 5. I know अभी तक आप लोग सारे signs सुन के थक गए होंगे, how much to keep up with. Well, girls are hard to keep up with, so boys, play your role. This means that sign number 5 is when she asks for help. This is important. Why? Because ऐसा कुछ नहीं है आजकल के दौर में, आजकल के टाइम में which a girl can't do herself. We're all independent girlies. We can do what we like. We can take care of ourselves. But time and again, we love to ask for help to the man that we really like and are interested and invested in. इसका मतलब है कि जब लड़की क्यूज दे रही हो या हिंट्स दे रही हो कि उसको किसी चीज़ में मदद चाहिए, so man up and show up. अब you might think कि मैं मदद कैसे करूं? Well, in one word, we love a fixer. So fix if there is a problem and also how you respond. आप कैसे उससे बात करते हो when she's asking for help? How do you propose the help? Be a helper, be a fixer. Don't brush off जिस चीज़ में उसको help चाहिए. Prioritize करो because it's also about prioritization. She wants to see that you're genuinely invested in her problem. हर लड़की चाहती है that उसको वो element मिले that my problem is his problem. So not only being a helper and a fixer, but also how you respond, how nicely you act is this test. इस टेस्ट का क्रक्स ये है कि जब वो आपसे छोटी चीज़ों में हेल्प मांगती है तो बेसिकली वो आपको टेस्ट कर रही होती है कि क्या in the long run, like I said in the start, the girl is doing for this, the ring hair. So would you help her in the long run or not? Now let's move on to sign number 6 that she's into you, but she is really testing you. Well, I named it the repeat test. इसको repeat test मैंने इसलिए कहा है क्योंकि ये मैं खुद बहुत ज़्यादा करती हूँ और अगर मेरे हस्बैंड यहाँ पे होते तो वो उसका जवाब भी दे देते. When a girl is repeatedly sending you DMs about something, कोई activity, कोई चीज़, some gift, or she's mentioning an activity over and over, maybe उसको bowling करने जाना है, maybe उसको mini golf पसंद है, maybe उसको अपनी second anniversary पे आपके साथ एक बड़ा बुके ऑफ फ्लावर्स चाहिए और वो आपकी इंस्टाग्राम एड्स इन्फ्लुएंस कर रही है स्नीकीली. इसका मतलब है दैट दिस इज अ टेस्ट फॉर यू कि आप वो साइंस को पिकअप करो गाइज and you make sure to actually do the things that she actually wants to do with you. So all the activities and things that she keeps asserting, reasserting, sending you in the DMs, maybe texting you, or maybe saying, yeah, 2 days ago I saw those two doing it, means that she wants you to do them with her. And boys, this test is going to actually signify how great of a listener you are. We all like a guy who is able to create a full section for his girl in his notes in his phone. Trust me, I would love that. And so this means that if you're listening to the little details, means you know exactly कि उसको क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है और कौन सी चीज़ उसने 3 नहीं 4 नहीं 5 दफ़ा रिपीट किया. मेरी इस पे पर्सनल एक एडवाइस होगी कि ब्रैकेट्स में नंबर भी डालो जितनी दफ़ा वो रिपीट करती है कुछ. That would really help. So let's move on to our next sign, which is sign number 7, and this is so important for all these men watching me, the safety test. Listen, most of the times we girls, we can take care of ourselves and we like to take care of ourselves. But at the same time, जब हम एक लड़के में invest करने लग जाती हैं और हमें वो पसंद आने लग जाता है, so we want him to take care of us, be it the little things or the big things, but mostly the little things matter. How can you take care of your girlfriend, your partner? How can you make sure that she's feeling safe and secure? So let's say कि it's maybe later in the evening, at the night, आप उसको कहो कि you want to drop her off at her place to make sure that she safely reaches home. And let's say कोई ऐसी situation हो गई है जहाँ पे she has to take an Uber home So then again, it is your responsibility to maybe note the number of the car, keep texting her, keep messaging her and asking her, hey, are you safe? Are you feeling okay? Keep talking to her and keep validating her. This is the sign of a man who's able to help a woman feel secure, safe around him. And this is a very important sign and test. Why? Because in the long haul, the girl wants कि वो आपके साथ safe और secure feel करे. And now the last but definitely not the least, test number 8 that she has been telling you that she's feeling sick. Boys, this is so important. I cannot reinforce ये कितना important test है. Why? Because us women, we go through our monthly cycles every single month. इसका मतलब है that all our lives we've dealt with it, ourselves. हमने खुद deal किया अपने emotions के साथ, अपने physical ailments के साथ. अब time आ गया है कि एक अच्छा लड़का मिल ही गया है, तो make sure that you're the best one for her. And how? That be there for her when she's sick. Try to ask her what can you do for her. Keep reassuring her, because in these times, you're going to have a very, very cranky girl around you who's going to be moody. She's going to tell you a lot of things that she doesn't really mean. So, iska matlab hai that you have to get out of your comfort zone as well to provide for her in a way where she's feeling all comfortable and happy because she's unwell. And tell her that she's going to get through this, even if it's something very small, but she's unwell. So make sure that you're there for her and you're doing those little things and saying those little things. One thing to remember is that हर लड़की की अपनी love language होती है. But एक चीज़ जो सारी लड़कियों में common है, because I can speak for my gender, that we love acts of service. So अगर your girlfriend, your partner, your wife is unwell and you want to win her heart, make that caregiver box, add some goodies in it, and be a true gentleman and show it to her that you will do anything to make her bad, cranky, sad, sick day into a great, happy, cute day. Thank you, everyone. I hope that you understood that these are the signs that a girl is testing you only because, boys, she's interested in you and she likes you. The real tests begin when you are with the girl that you are actually interested in. And so this is, yes, something that we keep doing, but I have provided you with all or almost all the signs that look out for these and make sure that you get through these. If there are any other tests or signs that you think, लड़कियां ऐसे करती हैं because of which they're basically trying to signal something to you that they like you but they want it from you, so do comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Men's Guide by Dari Mooj. Thank you, everyone.